In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert the degree symbol in your LibreOffice document, a handy skill that can make your text look professional and precise. Whether you're working on a weather report, a scientific paper, or just want to add that extra touch to your writing, this guide will walk you through the process with ease. To begin, you'll need to either launch a new document or open an existing one in LibreOffice Writer. If you've not used Writer before, don't worry, it's quite straightforward. Simply head to your computer and find the LibreOffice icon. It'll likely be sitting either on your desktop or in your program files. Give it a quick double click and you're all set to enter the Start Center. Once you're there, look for the option that says Writer Document. This is your gateway to both new and existing documents. Click on it, and just like that, you'll either have a fresh, blank document before you or an existing one ready for editing. Now that your document is open, let's talk about where you want to insert that degree symbol. Think about its intended place in your text. Perhaps you're writing about the weather and want to say 25 degrees Celsius, or you're discussing angles and want to reference 90 degrees. Navigate with your cursor to the exact spot where the degree symbol will make its appearance. It's commonly placed right next to a number, so consider this when positioning the cursor. A simple click will do. Now your cursor is blinking, ready, and waiting at this point, marking the spot for your degree symbol. When doing this, remember that clarity is key in communication. The location of your symbol can sometimes lend new meaning to your text, so be sure it's sitting right where it needs to be. This small mark can make a big difference in conveying precise information, whether you're detailing temperature, angles, or any other use cases. With your document ready and your cursor positioned, you're now all set to dive deeper into using special characters, formatting, and more in LibreOffice Writer. Thank you for joining me on this short tutorial exploring the basics of getting started with inserting symbols. Accessibility and attention to detail can set your work apart, so keep practicing and exploring what feels right for your projects. Enjoy the power of clear, professional documents with LibreOffice Writer. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.